Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about love and its types. Now what is love in psychology and what are its types? But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subjects. Now what is love? A mixture of emotions, behaviors, and beliefs associated with strong feelings of affection, warmth, protectiveness, and respect for another person. Means if there is respect for each other, that is called love. If there is warmth, if there is protectiveness, if there is a strong feelings of affection for each other, that is called love. Now, what are its types? The first type, passionate or romantic love. A state of intense absorption in someone that includes intense physiological arousal, psychological interest, and caring for the needs of another. People in passionate love want to know everything about their partner. They also want their partner to know everything about them. But this passionate love, it is a short-lived, and there is a strong sexual desire in passionate love. And the second type, companionate or compassionate love. The strong affection we have for those with whom our lives are deeply involved, like parents, other family members, close friends, etc. Now, this love is not for a short time, it is for a long time. Now, in this love, the simple friends don't come, just a close friend comes, and the parents, which are blessing from Lord, that can be forgotten. So, it's not a simple love, it's a long time love. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query, if you want to give any suggestion, please write your comment in comment section. I hope and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.